Hi everyone, today I'm going to be making taco baked shells. Alright, so before I get started on the recipe, I wanted to give a shout out to J&K Noob. J&K Noob is a really fun channel to watch. Jordan and his son Kason, they have RC cars and they run them and jump them, and he's been doing a lot of runs out in the snow. Die-hard lovers there. I sure couldn't do it. But you really need to go check them out. It is a really fun experience to watch them. He has new cars. He has does runs with the cars. He just got a GPS so he can do speed tests on them. If you're into RC cars, definitely go check it out. Even if you're not, if you're into family bonding, that is also apparent in these videos. Him and Kason are so bonded with their RC cars. He also does MRE reviews. He's into the MREs. If you don't know what that is meals ready to eat. Before Christmas, he had a giveaway, and lucky me, I won, and that's what this is right here. I haven't opened it yet, but it came, he sent it out right away, and it came the day after Christmas. I just had to wait until I was doing a video so I could show it to you. So let's see what we got. Now we had our choice, there was two winners, and we had our choice. We could either get a LiPo battery bag for the RCs. I don't have an RC car, my husband does, or you could get an MRE bag, and that's what I chose because I like food. So this is what I got. I've never had one before, but I'm really excited to look into it. These are good for when you're out camping, or if you are in, a survival mode where you want to go out hiking or whatnot. If you have stuff like this with you and you get stranded, you won't starve. Anyway, I'm really excited about this. I thought it was a wonderful gesture on his part to do a giveaway, and thank you again, Jordan, for picking me. I also wanted to mention, because like I said, if you're out and about and you're stranded, this comes with a flameless ration heater included. It's individual meal ready to eat, so everything's right there. Now back to our scheduled programming. All right, so what all goes into my taco baked shells? 8 ounces of jumbo shells. This is 12-ounce box, so I won't be using all of them. 1 pound ground beef. 4 ounces of cream cheese. This is 8-ounce package, so I'll be using half of that. 1 cup salsa. 1 ounce package of taco seasoning mix. 1/4 cup green onions. 1/2 cup Mexican blend cheese. I found taco blend cheese, and since we're making taco baked shells, I thought that would be perfect. And then for added garnishments, these are optional. I'm going to be using sliced black olives and sour cream. So let's begin. So the first thing that we're going to do is cook the jumbo shells as according to the package directions. All right, so I had the water to boil. I added the shells. Once it goes back up to boiling, we'll go ahead and boil it for 15 minutes, then drain it and set it aside. Preheat the oven to 350. Okay, so next you get a large skillet and dump in your 1 pound of ground beef and brown that. Okay, so the hamburger is brown. You can go ahead and drain it if it needs to. Go ahead and add your 1 ounce of taco seasoning. your 4 ounces of cream cheese and your 1 cup of salsa. And continue cooking that until the cream cheese is all melted and everything is thoroughly combined. So next you want to go ahead and take your shell and get a scoop of your taco mix and place it in the shell, and then place it in a casserole dish. Now go ahead and finish that up and I'll be right back. So here are the shells. They're all filled with the taco mixture. And we'll go ahead and take our 1/2 cup taco blend cheese and sprinkle it over the top. And then put it in a 350-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes until the cheese is melted. All right, so the taco bake shells are fresh out of the oven. Then you want to go ahead and then top them with the chopped up green onions. And then you can go ahead and top them with some of your other toppings that you normally would for tacos. And so I'm going to go ahead and put some black olives on there. Then you can go ahead and put more cheese on it. And I'm going to just go ahead and use Colby and Monterey Jack. And we'll go ahead and put a dollop of sour cream. Maybe. So here is the taco baked shells, and rounding out the meal is Mexican smoky couscous. I'll go ahead and have my husband give it a taste test.
So for the people that have been watching the channel for a while, if you notice, I'm not wearing my back brace. I just got back from the neurologist and I got permission to take the thing off. So unless I'm have any further issues, I shouldn't have to wear the back brace again. So much better. Now we get on to the taste test. What is this?
Taco baked shells.
Taco baked shells. Oh, that's really good. What is this?
That's Mexican smoky couscous.
Okay. I can actually bend over when I eat now. I'm happy. It's really good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.